Hello everyone. In our first video we took a look at putting graphs into Excel and we used the line graph. Some of you may want to use a pie chart or a bar chart or something like that, where you're plotting what we describe as discrete data or non-continuous data. So I've opened up Excel as I did before, and here I have some discrete data. So in other words, suppose you're asking children for their choice of fruit and you say 7 of the children would like apples and 8 would like oranges and 5 would like bananas. As you can see there, this is discrete or discontinuous data. So in order to create a chart with this, the best way to show it is in a pie or a bar chart. So I've set up my data here. I'm sorry, here this should read fruit. So for fruit we have apples, oranges, bananas, grapes, melons and others. And the numbers here are 7, 8, 5, 2, 2 and 6. And the title on the chart is going to be figure 1 and it's going to be called fruit choice. So again we go to insert here and this time we choose a pie chart. Now for a start we'll choose the simplest of pie charts, which is the first one there. And you can see already it has picked up some of these numbers here. It may not necessarily do that for you. So what you can do is in the chart area, if you right click in the chart area and go to select data, right, as we said, there might be some spurious stuff here, so you can remove that for a start. So we'll remove that, and now we go to add data like we did before. So again, adding the data. Now you'll notice here, because there isn't a y and an x-axis, we just get the series name and we get the series value. So for the series name, again, we choose the name. Click on the red arrow here, click on the first cell for the series name, click on the red arrow again, and in goes the name of the chart, fruit choice. The next one is the series value, and these are the numbers which you have down here. So click on the red arrow again, choose the numbers from 7 down. Be careful not to choose the words, just the actual numbers themselves. Click on the red arrow again, and here we have it to one side now. Now obviously the numbers mean nothing here, so you're going to need the words here, apples, oranges, grapes and so on. So if we OK this, we will see in this section here now, on the right hand side we have the horizontal category axis labels. So all you need to do is edit these. So just click edit. Again we get the small axis labels. Click on the red arrow, choose the names from the word apple down to other, re-click on the red arrow, and we OK that, and now we can OK that again, and now we have apples, oranges, bananas, grapes, melons, which apply to the various colors. Now you may want to change this around a bit to get percentages or numbers or have the words written in here, and it's quite easy to do that. If you go up to the choice of chart layouts up here, you have different choices of different types of charts, and it's better to play around with these and see which one suits you best. So say this one here now, it's going to show percentages, it's going to show the labels to the right hand side, and it's going to show the name on top. So if we click on that, that gives you a fairly comprehensive pie chart there with the percentages. Now obviously it's just a percentage as opposed to the whole. You're comparing with the whole number, which in this case is I think it's 30 students. So you're saying that 23% out of the 30 students chose apples and so on. Again, to copy this into a Word document, you right click, copy it and paste it into a Word document. Now suppose we prefer a bar chart. I'll just delete that one there and we'll go back again and we look at a bar chart. So you go to insert again, go to a column or a bar chart. So we'll say a column chart for instance. You have a huge range here. You can go 2D, 3D, cylindrical, conical, pyramid, whatever you need. You know, so if we just pick the standard 3D column, you see the columns have come up here already. May not always pick up the number straight away, so we'll have a look at this. Again, we'll right click and go to choose select data. Select data. Again, we'll get rid of the spurious one here. We'll remove that. Okay. Add. Again, we have an option putting in the series name, which we click on here. Red arrow. Choose the first cell, click on the red arrow again, and we have the name of the chart on top. For the series value, you click on the red arrow again, like we did in the pie chart. Select the numbers, again click on the red arrow, and here you have the numbers will be included, right? So what we need to do now is we need to put names on them, so we just edit on the right hand side here, click on the red arrow again, choose the names, into the red arrow again, and you will now see that in our chart it shows us as having the fruit choice, the different names here. Again, up here you have the options of doing it different ways. You can scroll down through these and choose a chart layout that best suits you, and play around with these, because you might get something that's a bit more that looks a bit better for your dissertation. And you can play around with those, as I say, and you can choose whichever option you think is best or looks best on your dissertation. You can see that. You can change the various colors. You can do all sorts of things with it. Again, to copy it, just right click, copy and paste it into a Word document. Thanks for listening, and I hope this has been helpful to you.